What an absolute weapon this is. This is a 5-litre supercharged Range Rover Sport Autobiography in this stunning Causeway metallic grey. The car's got thousands and thousands of pounds of extras. The first thing that you're looking at, as I'm not because I'm in the car driving, the rear clusters on this car has been modified and converted so it looks like a new shaped vehicle. So this actually looks from the back now a 2018 or 19 model car, when in fact it's not. It's a 2014 registration with only 48,000 miles on. But what a stunning example this is. Do not get me wrong, I won't hold back, the car is a used car. There will be some element of wear on the car, and I'll be quite honest and I'll show you as much as possible that I see as I go around it. But for me, this is a stunning example. It's a car that you'd buy yourself and then spend 15,000–20,000 pounds making it look the way it is at the minute. It's got a very bespoke body kit on this car, which is the front bumper, the side, the rear, everything about it. But with 48,000 miles on, it's awesome. 510 brake horsepower, and you heard the thing, it sounds immense, crazy. Full stealth pack on it, so the car's been fully de-chromed. That's all the black stuff, like the black mirror covers, the bonnet vents, the side vents, and then you've got the 22-inch stealth alloy wheels with the yellow brake calipers just behind there. But again, remember, it's an autobiography, so the Range Rover Sport's are great to start off with, but the autobiography gives you the perforated seats, gives you the full electric adjusted seats there with all the different lumbar support. This one's got a tilt and sliding panoramic roof with the Alcantara roof lining, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. It's got everything, and it goes on this car. I mean, I don't want to spend all day talking about it, but it's one of them you can. Sorry, one more time on the front, because I didn't really touch on it. The Causeway grey is a beautiful colour on its own. The fleck in it, again, there's different shades of it, different flick. It's amazing. But you can see this such an aggressive front end with a different LED spot. If you go all the way down, Tom, you'll notice you've got the LEDs in there on both sides. Front rear parking sensors, all the black inserts, but that's a huge front end. Now this car is not going to hang around, so if you like what you see, call me direct on the number below. But it's one of them, if you have kids, here's a game changer. Built into the back of the seats, as in with the hooks on them, rear entertainment with Bluetooth audio, rear climate control, rear heated seats, the Meridian sound system, the condition of the leather seats. Check this out, those are your Bluetooth headsets. Isn't that just a cool looking car in the best condition? Rear bumper's completely different to your standard sport. You've got the quad tailpipe coverings, the F1 style rear diffuser, the badging, reversing camera, and again that colour, the paintwork works extremely well. So a lot of times you get customers that'll get a 3-litre diesel and then kit it out, and that's fine. And then sometimes you'll get an SVR kitted out. But to get an autobiography which has all the extras and then to kit it out, that's another thing. This car is a fortune brand new. I mean a fortune. And a lot of good money's been spent on it. You've got the spare wheel underneath. That's a 22-inch wheel. So the stealth wheel, the 5th one there. You have got the deployable tow bar on this one as well, which has been disconnected just to make you aware because of the body kit. Going back to the lighting system, and I meant what I said when I started the video, the rear lighting here, and that's all it takes. Because if you look from that angle where you're looking now, it almost does look like, because they're off a 2019 model rear cluster them. So it's got the LED, flat LEDs and the LED indicators as well. If that car had a private plate on, from the back you wouldn't know it was a 14 plate car, it's almost impossible. Fixed side steps, all colour coded, comfort access. It's just fantastic. One word, fantastic. Memory seats, driver and passenger. Another key feature on this car, because a lot of them come with a black seat with an ivory white dash. Now this has got a very dark grey. That grey continues on that steering wheel. On the door cards here, handles, and then this top dash is all dark grey as well. You've also got a fridge in here. Doop. Makes it cold. Paddle shift automatic gearbox, but it's the sound, it's the performance, it's the drive, because the drive's superb with that more stiffened suspension. I hate to say this, but I know that the Autobiography 5-litre, the supercharged version, is a bit more comfortable than the SVR, but it delivers still just as much. Today with the live price in this car's 36,990, and I would be gobsmacked if this car is still available this time tomorrow, because you know it won't be. Because as you watch me reverse this car back into the showroom, you'll see it's one of them cars. You don't need to drive it fast. You can just take it easy and enjoy it, because it looks like nothing other. It doesn't look like £37,000 worth, that's for sure. You put a prior plate on this and it looks like 60 grand's worth. That's the honest truth. It's absolutely beautiful. And anyone that wants... I may be saying it. I don't want to keep saying how good it is, but how good is it? And when I looked very, very closely, there's a few things that I noticed, like stone chips and stuff. It is a used car. You will get a few stone chips on it. With 48,000 miles on, it has been very well looked after. And if I came to buy this car in 4 days' time, I'd be over the moon, because fundamentally the interior, the mechanicals, we're going to service the car before you get it. You're going to get 12 months MOT. The car hasn't got one single dent down either side, and that means a lot. All the wheels are in great condition, and then just the overall looks of this car. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.